Yeah, get some of them down here. It's called a smoothing plane, so I can put a chamfer on. So I can put a chamfer on. Oi, we're not fighting on film. Bo. No, not fighting on film. I know some of you guys really like watching Bo and Gracie, and they're having a little play scrap at the moment. What's the tripod? Oh, you're back, are you? You calmed yourself down now? What do you think to that then, Bo? I don't like it. You're looking cute under there. Are you impressed? Bo's under the tripod looking at the highway. There we go. That's bare. Actually, I like the round. It's what's that? What have I cut there? A 3mm. Maybe it should be a new feature of the channel. Sunday morning quiet working. Right, that's that done. I like that. It's nice. It actually feels really nice in the hand as well. It's not. It's kind of got enough weight about it to make it feel really nice. Because the blades are new and really sharp, it feels really nice. See that? Chamfer that side, pencil round that side. And don't we, Gracie? Are you okay? Why all dithery? I'm blinking freezing. Well, I'm going to play out with the chickens, Gracie. You need to dog up. Are you dogging up? No, I'm going in by fire. Wrong way, John. Wrong. What you doing, Bobby? Just messing about under here. I better not stand on it. Oh no! You couldn't see what your daddy's done. Out of the garage. It's been stood there now for best part of a year. Got to rewire it. A router. So I need to go and cut 4 pieces and groove 3 of them to form the tops and the sides. And then we need to extend the back, and then I need to put some nosings around the top because I don't want the end grain exposed on the top because of cooking fats. Gracie hates cooking fats. So